So today up around 9,000, I mean, not, I wish, 1,600 today, and up around 950 on the short side and around 666 on the long side. Today, the market did pick back up a little bit. It's just, again, I was not ready for it to be picking back up like this much. So I was not fully take advantage of it. So let's start out in the morning. The first ticker was SAVA. SAVA, look both down here. So I make around 500 total in pre-market, both shorting and longing SAVA. So let's show both sides at the same time, because so you can see when I'm short and when I'm long. So in the morning, right? Okay, first let's turn this privacy up on so I can show you, drag it down on the OBS so you guys can see my account. Okay, the real account. Okay, so let's go over all the trade today. So
MBUS.
SAVA in the morning, right? In the morning, I start shorting it. There was nothing pop up in the morning until SAVA come along. Okay, luckily I got in at the right time, just very quick short and cover, get me up around 200 bucks or something like that. And where else? I shorted here, was waiting for a break high of day, but it did not, to add a little bit more, but it did not, so I covered it all here. So by the morning I was up around 275 total on shorting SAVA. And after that I start buying dip, I think. Let's look at the morning dip buy. So SAVA is the main ticker of the trade today, if you don't notice already. So yeah, because I cover it all, because I'm looking for dips. I thought I can dip more, but it did not. The first dip right here, I lost 66 bucks off of it, because I expect I'd be like, oh man, this stock seems strong. So I bought in on a quick pullback right here for short, and I add a little bit share, but then it did not pop back up right away. I was impatient, so I sell into a little bit to weakness and got out for a negative 66 bucks. And after that, I see the momentum come back up right here. I was like, shit, man, I knew it. Because the volume was good, and we hasn't have a stock runner like this for a while. And the thing, but I should have just stick with my thesis. But then, because I've been chickening a lot, because as you guys can all see recently, we got a couple pop back up and flush all the way back down for the rest of the day. So yeah, I was not ready for this kind of momentum yet, because we haven't seen one like that yet. So if this continue, there will be continued trend, and I will adapt to it. But I need to slowly adapt to it to take fully advantage of it. That's why I only make $1,600 today. Otherwise, it would be a lot bigger winning trade day, because I was impatient, because I was not ready for this kind of momentum recently. Even though it looked like it moved a lot, but honestly, it didn't move much. But it was pretty decent range enough. So I make some money back right here, but only feel a little bit share, and feel 1,500 share right here. Just a little bit money, and after that it just start trending up all the way. Okay, as you guys can see, on the wire it's trending up. No way I'm shorting it, right? When it moving little bit, I'm not shorting it. That shit, because it's very dangerous to short it. I only short it on a big spike, which is up here. As you guys can see, I show you guys a little bit later. What the heck? Where is that thing? Okay, I gotta put this up top. Okay, so always on top, so not keep disappearing. So as you guys can see, when it's trending up like this, I'm not shorting it, because I don't know how much more. I mean, I could have shorted right here because it's a little bit bigger spike compared to the rest, but then I was a little bit scared, so I did not short it at all, and I dip bought on it. Okay, little bit money, and here very little bit pullback. I only feel 100 shares, so I just got out right away, because I can see a very strong momentum. Too bad it's only filled me 100 shares, so I was not bothered to hold it for a long time. As you guys know my personality, if I do not feel my full size, I would not hold it at all. So it continued back up like, shit, man, it's trending so much upward without any pullback. And until right here, I see a significant, pop. Then I short it. As you guys can see, significant pop consolidate. I short it, cover super quick, and it's turned out to be the top. I should have what is it called? I should have shorted, hold it a little bit more, but then I was a little bit scared because this stock seemed super strong in the morning, and apparently that was the very top. Somehow I always shorted the very top. I able to short it one time right here too. Then I covered all because you never know, you know. So overall, I was up around 300 on 300 something on this one, and 200 on the long side in pre-market. Was able to get a few dip right here. Is on a very strong downtrend again. Then I was up. I only get in and out super quick, just for a little bit again, as you can see. And today my friend was with me, watching me trading the whole morning. So I had to. No, he did not watch it right here. He started coming at 9:15, so I had to be performed good. So I tried my best to not losing any trade and cut loss quickly instead of being any stubborn like that. So yeah, I guess this is a good habit to somebody watch you like, yeah, I better behave good. So yeah, I traded good in the morning. Man, morning I did not trade at all. He saw me. I tried to get filled so many times right here, so many times. Literally, I tried to bottom ticket so many times. You do not know how many times I tried to get filled, but it did not fill me. Same thing with this right here. The first time it filled me right here, at the very bottom of the candle. Somehow I was able to bottom ticket every single time. And all this time right here, this is the only stock I watched in the morning, and it was not filling me. And I was like, shit, man, somebody watched me, fill me something. I need to trade, you know? But yeah, I was not trading at all because it barely filled me at all. Throughout the whole morning. It was so hard for me to feel, otherwise I would trade a lot more. Then it started downtrending a little bit. I was to get in a little bit, finally feel me. Then it downtrending, and I'm just trading the downtrend too. And right here start to consolidate. Then VXRT pop up, so I start to, let's looking at this right now, right? Until it started touching near the VWAP around here and pull back. Then I start trading a little bit more on the downtrend again. And after that, I stopped looking at it again because it's just, actually, I tried to buy a few times right here. It did not fill me. It's super hard for me to get filled because somehow I always bottom ticket. Okay? I don't know. When I got filled full side, I was not bottom ticket and I barely make, make 5 cents or 2,500 share. That's not bad, I guess. But yeah, I had to not bottom ticket to get filled or something. So yeah, maybe I should have just tried to be less so picky about my feel than, you know, less picky. Maybe I would make more, honestly, because I try to get filled so many times, but it did not fill me. And right here, I start reshorting it. And I make more money on the short side compared to long side. Long side, I make around 500 bucks on SAVA, and short side, I make around 675. And short side, I actually able to increase the size up. So the whole morning, I was not able to short it because I was long bias on it. I tried to buy dip as you guys can see, but it did not dip fill me at all. So yeah, I was not able to short it, and I'm not shorting into the thing until it pop up super fast right here. That's where I make most of my money. It's like got quick, and I was excited. I was very excited. I got around, I sized up a little bit too. 500 share right here, another 500 share right here. I cover half right here because I feel like it probably gonna pop back up, which it did. I short and I short more, and I cover half, and I cover all my share right here. And it popped back up. I able to re-short it, but it's only 500 share this time, and I just do a quick covering. And that was about it for the short side, I think. Oh no, I do a few more time right here, very quick, and in and out, and I'm able to make 650 off of it. Just a scalp shorting, which is what I do on the long side. But on the short side is much more rewarding right now. Even though I only do like 500 share, where long side I had to do like 1,500 to 2,000 share. Short, I can make more by using less share. But the thing is, the risk is a little bit more. But I'm pretty good with top ticking it a lot of time, as you guys can see right here. Same thing with VXRT. VXRT. This morning, I start shorting it right in the morning right here and cover all my share right there. And after that, I was not able to even look at it at all. I didn't notice it go right here, and somebody mentioned in the chat. And after that, I re-short it right here, and I add a little bit more and cover all. Same thing with that, just very small. Because VXRT, it looked like it's trending a lot, but then if you look at this right here, even this big candle is like 20 cents, okay? A lot of time it moved 5 to 20, so very small movement. So I had to take very small side win each time. But after that, after it stopped making high, then I just reshort right here. This one is a break-even trade. Even I told myself, my friend was there, even hear me saying it too. This one right here, I want to short. I want to add a little bit more once they come back up, but I want to looking for a bigger picture because this is a pop-up short. Already that candle kind of come in and it's going to start trending down. I even told my friend like that I was thinking to buy back right here. Then he saw me break the rule and I just covered because I was so impatient for a break even. And right after I cover, it flushed down. Sadly, even though I even talk it out because he was watching, so I talk it out to my thought. And sometimes I do follow my thought most of the time, but then sometimes I do not, which is bad. And I get FOMO into because I even tell him that because the thing is, a lot of time he did not get to my target. Then I get FOMO and short it early or buy the stock dip early because I get FOMO. Then it go against your way, then you start losing. But today, my loss was very small, around 40 or 60 bucks max each time I lost, and I did not lose much today at all. So I traded pretty good today just because somebody else watching me. But the thing is, I use very small size share, just in and out quickly. The momentum is a little bit better there, back already. Hopefully the momentum can continue and able to break the bearish trend, and after that I can start science, and after that I can wait for a little bit more than just sell it within couple cent. So yeah, I can't wait for the momentum to shift. It seemed like it's shifting a little bit at the time right now compared to few days that we had before. VXRT on this side, as you can see. And I don't like to long VXRT, okay? That's why you only see me long 3 times right here. I think I make $100 off of it. Because the thing is, as I mentioned this before on one of my recap, because I got burned on this day right here, pretty bad. And I got burned on this day right here for $700 loss on pretty bad as well. So yeah, because when it trend down a lot like that day. So I thought today was one of those days. Look at that, when it trend down, look at this. This is the day I lost money right here, 600 bucks. Because I thought it can bounce. It's so strong, and all of a sudden it just tanked without a bounce all the way down. So yeah, that was really bad day for VXRT. So yeah, that is it for today. Up around 1,600, momentum changing a little bit. Was not able to fully optimize on my profit, but I will next time. If it keep presenting like this, I start picking up pattern. Because the thing is, with me, somehow I able to recap my pattern and current pattern in the current situation and just adapt to it. So you kind of have to adapt to the market, or otherwise you will be done. Okay, that's it. Adapt. Have a great day, you guys.